Have you ever wondered why people seem to change the way they think as they get older? Not just a little, but in really surprising ways. Well, today we're going to talk about something that happens to almost everyone, but nobody really talks about. 7 mental shifts that sneak up on you so quietly. You might not even notice they're happening until one day you realize you're not thinking the same way you used to. Stay with us because by the end of this video, you'll understand yourself, or maybe someone you love, so much better. Life is like a long journey, isn't it? And just like any journey, the scenery changes. But here's the thing that most people don't realize. Your mind changes too. Not in a bad way. Not in a way that means something's wrong. It's just different, and once you understand what's happening inside your head as you get older, everything starts to make sense. Here are 7 psychological changes you'll notice as you age. Number 1. Your brain starts sorting things differently. When you're young, your mind is like a busy marketplace. Everything seems equally important. Every detail, every piece of information, every small thing gets your attention. But something interesting happens as time goes on. Your brain becomes more selective. It's like you develop a filter. Suddenly the small stuff doesn't bother you as much. You start to focus on what really matters. And here's what's beautiful about it. You waste way less energy on things that don't deserve your attention. Your mind is learning what's truly worth your time. Number 2. Your memory works in a new way. Now this one confuses people. You might forget where you put your keys, but you remember things from decades ago. So clearly it's like they happened yesterday. That seems backwards, right? But it's actually how things are supposed to work. Your brain is shifting its focus. It's keeping the big picture, the important lessons, the meaningful moments, the everyday details. Those become less sticky because your mind has bigger priorities now. It's not broken. It's just reorganizing. Number 3. Your patience grows stronger. Think about this. When someone is rushing through life, trying to do everything at once, they get frustrated easily. But take someone who's lived a long time, seen how things work out. They tend to be calmer. They don't need to force things. There's a knowing that comes with age, a sense that things have a way of working themselves out. Your nervous system actually learns to settle down. You're not as quick to react. You're more likely to pause and think. And that's not weakness. That's wisdom settling into your bones. Number 4. You care less about what others think. This is one that sneaks up on you. When you're young, there's this constant worry about fitting in, about how people see you. But somewhere along the way, something shifts. You realize that most people are too busy thinking about their own lives to judge yours. And even if they do, it doesn't hit the same way anymore. There's a freedom in this, a kind of lightness you didn't have before. Your opinion of yourself starts to matter more than anyone else's opinion of you. Now here's something most people don't expect to happen. And this is why you need to stick around for the last 2 changes. Because they might surprise you in ways you don't see coming. The shift that happens with how you think about time, and what happens to your sense of what makes life worth living. These are the changes that completely reshape how people experience their days. Number 5, time feels different like before. When you're young, a year feels like forever. But as time goes on, years seem to move faster. Why? It's not just about aging. Your mind works differently with time. You're not collecting new experiences at the same pace, so new memories aren't being created as quickly. Days blend together, but here's the interesting part. You start to value your time more carefully. You're more aware of it, and that awareness changes how you spend it. You stop wasting it on things that don't feel good, because now you know time is the one thing you can't get back. Number 6, your emotions becomes more stable. Remember the ups and downs when you're younger? The big reactions to small things? Something shifts. Your emotional weather becomes less stormy. Not because you don't feel things, you feel them deeply, but you're not tossed around by them as much. You've seen hard times before. You know that difficult feelings pass. You understand that most things look different tomorrow. This isn't numbness. This is calm. This is strength built from experience. Number 7, your search for meaning gets deeper. When you're starting out, life is about doing, achieving, building, but as you go along, the question changes. It stops being, what can I accomplish, and becomes what matters. You start to care more about connection, about legacy, about the people around you. Shallow things lose their shine. You want depth. You want real. You want moments that mean something. And this shift in what you value actually brings more satisfaction to your daily life, not less more. So there you have it, 7 ways your mind changes, grows, and becomes different as you move through life. These aren't problems to fix. They're features of a life well lived. Your mind isn't deteriorating. It's maturing. It's becoming wiser, clearer about what matters, stronger in ways that count. If this resonated with you, or if you're seeing these changes in someone you love and now it makes sense, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, because we dive deep into the real stuff that happens in your elderly age. The things nobody talks about, honestly. We've got more videos coming that will help you understand yourself and others better. Share this video to a senior who needs this,